I'm Nunu, and welcome to Too New For You, or so it seems. Today, I'm going to be doing a DIY for my sis. She's not been feeling well lately, so I just wanted to make her something to cheer her up.
Using purple Dollar Tree items. This is going to be great. So let me show you what I did. First, I got some fabric, and then I cut the fabric into strips. I cut about 6 strips. Then I'm going to use the strips to attach the pool noodle to the heart. I didn't want to use any glue in this DIY, so that's why I'm just going to tie the straps around the pool noodle.
So my sister is pregnant, and she's really having a tough time about the pregnancy. She's kind of sickly and things of that nature, so I was thinking about a purple heart. Now, in the military, a purple heart is given out in recognition of like sacrifice or heroism. So to me, that's what I kind of related to. So I was like, man, let me make her a purple heart. So when I went to the Dollar Tree, I just saw some random items and I picked them up. And here we are today. So when you tie it, you do want to tie it with a little force so it'll stay. Okay. So now this is the last little piece. So I am going to have to cut it. Okay. Let's just cut here. Okay. Take these 2 pieces and we're going to tie them.
Here, I'm just going to be attaching the items that I got.
Got a little spray bottle. And we're going to put that right there. And then we got a little brush. And we're going to put the brush right here. Sticking in there just like that. Put one right here. Top.
So now I got this ribbon. I'm going to go ahead and tie the ribbon around the top. And then I got this trash bag that I'm also going to use to make a big, pretty bow. Yep, that's right. A trash bag from the $1.25 tree. You would never know it if you wouldn't see me do it. But sometimes you got to use what you got to get what you want. And that's just on period. trying to stay in my purple theme, so that's how come I used the trash bag as a bow. But I think it was a clever idea. And you guys let me know down in the comment section, what do you think? Should I have gone to the store and got some real ribbon? We'll never know. But you guys, thanks so much for watching. I truly, truly appreciate it. Remember, all of these items are from the Dollar Tree. So if you wanted to go and grab these items and recreate your purple heart, go right on ahead.